Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware 6 Daily Deals plugin. So basically this plugin allows the Shopware store owner to set up daily deals on simple products for the customers. The customers can view the discount information on the product page, cart page, search page and the category pages. On the other hand, the admin can select the product and can schedule the start and the end date of the deal. After entering the price of the product, the admin can activate the deal on the product. The admin can even view the list of all the deals on a single page. So all in all, using this particular plugin, the daily deals information for the product is shown on the cart, product, search and category pages. The admin would be able to set up the daily deal price using two discount methods. One is the fixed or percentage. The buyers can see the top selling deals and the top deals of the day on the daily deals page that is being provided, wherein all of the daily deals of the store are being displayed. A countdown timer shows the remaining time left to avail the deal. The deal collection page is provided for viewing all of these deals of the store in one place there. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the Shopware 6 Daily Deals plugin at the customer's end, and I'll be showing you the workflow at the customer's end. Apart from that, I'll also be showing you the backend configuration of the Daily Deals plugin, wherein I'll be showing you how the admin would be able to set up the daily deals on a particular product there from the configuration settings of the plugin itself. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So the very first thing that I want to show you is the home page. As you can see, we are on the home page right now, and what I've done is I've tapped on the daily deals option here at the top right hand corner. So here we are having the daily deals link. Tapping that up basically brings up the complete list of deal products that are there within the online store there. So here we are on the deals products, and here you can find some products having the daily deal price on applicable on them. Here on the left hand side we have the daily deal products, as you can see, with the details. Here you can see that 49.75% off on main product with reviews. It was initially for $1.99 euros. Now it's for €1. Hurry up, the deal ends in the days, hours, minutes and seconds left for the deal to end. How much you're going to save on the deal, that is 0.99 euros there itself. Now on the right hand side you can see the top selling deals within the store, and if I scroll down, here we can find the top deals of the day as well. So this was the daily deals link that I showed you on the home page there, using which the customers can easily access the daily deals that are available within the store in one place. So there is no need to go to any other place. Now the daily deals are visible on the product page, cart page, search page and on the category pages as well. Now for example, here I'm on the free time and electronics category, and here as well you can see if there are any daily deal products. Those daily deal products are visible. Now here we have the main product with advanced prices on the right hand corners, as you can see, but it doesn't have any daily deal on it. But the rest of the products like bicycle, Canon and main product are having daily deals on them. And here you can see that on bicycle we have 20% off. It was initially for 100 euros. Now the new price is 80 euros. The deal ends in days, hours, minutes and seconds are being displayed. This is a countdown timer that displays the end of the deal in how many days, hours, minutes and seconds the deal would end there, and how much you are going to save on the deal as well. We are going to save 20 euros on the deal there. So this was the category page. Now coming to the search page, even if I'm searching for a product there, then if there's a daily deal applicable on that particular product, then the particular product would be visible like this with 20% off, the product name, the new price is 80, the deal ends in days, hours, minutes and seconds, and saving on deal is 20 euros there. Now on the product page of the daily deals product page, here you can see the details there as well. Here you can see that initially it was for 100 euros. Now the new price is 80 euros. Hurry up, the deal ends in this much of days, this much of hours, minutes and seconds. This is a countdown timer showing the end of the deal time there. and here we are having 20% off, and we are saving the deal. The savings on the deal are for 20 euros there. Now after viewing the particular deal, the customers can add the particular product into the shopping cart and can enjoy the particular product purchase on the new price or the daily deal price that has been listed by the admin there. So this was the workflow at the customer's end. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see how the Shopware admin would be able to set up the daily deals for the products there, and how he can view the particular daily deal products on which the daily deals have been applied in a particular list. For that, I'll be logging into the admin backend panel for the Shopware there by entering the username, password and tapping on the login button thereafter. Now after the successful login there into the admin backend panel, and after you successfully installed the Shopware 6 daily deals plugin, what you need to do is you need to navigate through settings, extensions, and here you'll find the daily deal option under the extension. So if I tap on the daily deal here, we'll be able to see a complete list of products on which the daily deals have been applied, with the product name, the product number, the gross price, discount type whether percentage or fixed, the discount percentage, the deal price, whether it's active or not, the start time and the end time of the particular daily deal, right? And for any of the products here, we can edit the particular daily deal by tapping on the edit button, or we can delete a daily deal that has been applied to a particular product by tapping on the delete button. To add a new deal, you can tap here on the new deal button, and that will bring up this particular section wherein you have to enter the details of the for the new product there to apply the daily deal to it. So you have to choose the sales channel. So for example, here I'll be choosing web cool shop and headless. We have to select a product from the list. So I have to select a product. Actually, I've already applied the daily deal to the product, so that's why we'll get this warning that the selected product is already added in the daily deals list. So let me do one thing. Let me go back and let me edit one of the products there. Let's edit the bicycle product that we were checking out at the storefront. The bicycle product for 100 euros, that was initially for 100 euros, and the new deal price was for 80 euros there. So let's edit it up and let's see what different configuration settings are there. Now the discount type on the bicycle is fixed, so let's edit it up. So here we have chosen the sales channel. We have selected the product from the drop down. The gross price automatically comes up for the bicycle. Then we have to set the start time and the end time of the deal. So you can tap here and you can choose the start date and the end date along with the time there. Then we have the discount type. You can choose a fixed one or a percentage one, and depending upon the discount type chosen, you can set the deal price accordingly. And then you have to make the deal as active or inactive by toggling this button to active or inactive. So this is active right now, or you can make it as inactive as per your own requirement as well. And then you have to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings and apply the daily deals to the particular product. Now let's check another product here. Here we have shoes, on which we have set the percentage type of the discount. Let's edit it up. The same goes with this one as well. We have chosen the sales channel, we have chosen the product, the gross price automatically comes up. We have set up the start time. For example, we can change the start time as well. Then we can choose the time as per our own requirement there. End time, the discount is percentage, and the deal percentage is 10% discount there on the product itself. Now if I go to this particular section here, and let me search for shoes there. So let me search for shoes. Here we have shoes. So we are having a 10% off on this because we have set in the configuration settings here, we have set it as percentage, and the deal percentage is 10%. So that's why here we are having 10% off. Initially it was for 200 euros, now it's for 180 euros only. Here we are having the deal ends in the days, hours, minutes and the seconds left for the deal to end there, right? Now let's go back And after you have set this up, you have to just tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings. So yes, that was much about the Shopware 6 Daily Deals plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how the Daily Deals link appears at the storefront, using which the customers would be able to see the complete listing of the daily deals that are applicable on the respective products under one section itself. The customers can also see the top selling deals, and they can also see the top deals of the day with the products being listed there. The customers can also with the deal information on the product page, as you can see here. Apart from that, they can see the information on the deal information on the search page as well, and on the category pages as well. And apart from that, I also showed you how the admin would be able to initially set up the daily deals on the products there, and how he can view and edit the deals that he has applied to already set up products there. So if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day.